Hello sir, what do you think about the school starting in April?
Starting in April for the small kids is not fair since the temperature goes 36 to 40 degrees centigrade. So I am very against over it. So I feel that the schools should start in the month of June. Because as since elders cannot bear, parents cannot bear the heat, how the children will bear it in the month of April, May? The temperature goes to 40 and above. Can't say. So I feel that schools should start in the month of June. I request the government also to please start the schools in the month of June, the kids.
Thank you sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, what do you have to say about the school starting in April?
April, I think first of all the climate is a issue. I mean it's very hot, and I think the kids deserve 2 months rest. Starting because academic year is it's a long one, like starting from June until March, and I think the kids deserve a 2 months break. And I think the government should first concentrate on the infrastructure. In Goa, we are lacking a shortage of water, then power cut downs in the summer. Then it would be difficult for the kids, to sit in one classroom, and then without a proper, there's no fans not working due to the power cut down and everything. So I think we are not in favor. That's all I have to say.
Thank you. Hi, what do you think about the school starting in April?
Not for it, against it actually, because the heat in month of, just yesterday in the news has come, entire month of March is yellow alert. I can't imagine what's going to be the state of it in April. So starting schools in April is like torturing the students, to be honest with you. We're not against the new educational policy. It's good that they are bringing change in the education, but the fact that they're starting schools in the month of April is torture. If they could revert to starting back in June, that would be really nice.
Thank you. Hi, what do you feel about the school starting in April?
The issue of the school starting in April is a big debate, first of all. The NEP coming into it for the first time, and suddenly the new thing of the school starting in April is a big torture, first of all, to the kids. We are not seeing about a special community or which community is objecting, but we are speaking as a whole, seeing all the climatic conditions, especially. In the month of March itself, 2 times IMD has issued sun alert regarding the heat wave. So after you see March, this is a pathetic condition. What will be in the month of April? April itself will be really very hot. Then for them it's a torture sitting so long time, and then after it's another torture to the parents, going and getting them in their heat also back, and the children get restless, and they have so much of impact on their health also. And then after you see all these things happening, children fainting, falling, and all these issues. So it should be, when we say the government is for the people, of the people, then the government is not hearing. So what is the use of following this type of government? And when we are all objecting, all are not in favor of it, the government should try to consider all what the people are doing, what the people want. So my main concern is, I appeal to the government to take into consideration the health of the children, to see what they are going to suffer and what is good for them. NEP is a good thing, okay, they are coming out with this purpose, this thing and all, but you have to see also the health of the children, because they are the future of tomorrow. That's it.
Thank you.